Hi there. So this week we are talking about Lesson 9, which is test taking, and I have a lot of great information for you. I know from the last year results and from the discussions we've had in the semester, you have, many of you struggle in test taking, and you've mentioned things like maybe not studying adequately or having anxiety when you sit down to take the test. So we're going to touch on all of that this week. So when you get into the module, you'll see my lessons, and I have an essay on or a lesson on tests and anxiety, specific test taking strategies, as well as trick questions and essay exams. So please read through all of my lecture material, and hopefully you'll find some good tips and strategies to help you start to move forward with some better test taking techniques. And then there's a discussion, there's a quiz, and then you're going to be moving into assignment 3 this week. And what that does is it asks you to pick one of the study skills that we've learned about, so whether it's note taking, test taking, memory, and so on, one of those study strategies. And I want you to do some research and figure out what are 3 new techniques that you can write about that I haven't addressed either in my lectures, my lessons, or in the textbook that you can write about to help you in that area. And I really encourage you to pick an area that you struggle with. So if you're not a good note taker, pick note taking. If you struggle in memory, then maybe write your paper on memory. The paper is meant to be an opportunity for you to figure out how to do better in that particular subject. So let's get started.